Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to be doing a review on a affordable, very cool knife that I got from a cheap um, discount store, gas station, whatever you want to call it, convenience store. Um, it was about 15 bucks. It's a really cool automatic knife, or spring assisted, whatever you want to call it. The flipper right here releases the 440 stainless steel blade, 1/3 serrated. It's non-branded. There's no brand on it. It looks like it has maybe like fake gold. It's not really an expensive knife, so I wouldn't imagine it being real gold, but it looks kind of like a stiletto resemble, and the pocket clip, it's pretty cheap. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it wiggles. Also, I don't know if you can see that either, but the blade's at an angle. Here, yeah, the blade's at an angle, like it angles up a little bit, but the lockup is fairly, it has no up or down blade play, but it has a little bit side to side. Other than that, it's a pretty cool knife for 15 bucks, especially at a little convenience store. But I'll be doing more reviews later in future. But subscribe up there. This is my first video, so sorry for kind of being crappy. So yeah, there's my cheap little $15 automatic knife. Thanks.